Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this short pool cue. This pool cue is a 48-inch shorty weighing in at 19 ounces, which provides a natural hit that simulates the stroke that would generate similar action on the cue ball as if a full-length cue. This cue would be best used for bar league players whose environment may require them to shoot off the rail against the wall behind them, where a full-length cue could not be placed. The hit is a hard, stiff hit that provides satisfying tack. This is created with the help of the hard fiber tip and a thicker diameter shaft, with a shorter taper that prevents unnecessary flex. A stainless steel joint and a silver A, B, and E rings offers sense of elegance. The design features classic floating sharp points with a more modern elements such as turquoise print. The wrap is not Irish linen, but it is not uncomfortable and it allows for a grip while absorbing moisture. Overall, this is a specific tool for a specific environment for an avid pool player or perhaps a good beginner cue for a young child who is around 4 foot in height. But that's just my point of view.